These are known as cut shells. Depending on who you ask, some people will say that cut shells are cheeks, while other people say that they are absolutely goated. So we have a series of tests we're gonna run through to find out which is correct. This is gonna let us know which is more accurate, actual slugs themselves or these cut shells. So let's test it out at about 50 yards and see what results we get. First up, we're gonna do our 5 shells out of our Beretta 1301. Here it looks like we caught 1, 2, and then a chunk out of the wood for our third one. So we're grouping up here. It's possible our red dot isn't quite on 0. I need to get on top of that. So let's see what those cut shells do. Take a look at this. So we got 3 hits about as close together as we got those slugs, though the fourth one actually just opened up and peppered the target. Turns out they can be accurate. But what about penetration on metal? First up, regular birdshot firing. And next up, from the pocket of science, we pull a cut shell. Oy. This is what we got. That's gonna punch through a lot better than birdshot. Now we've set up our ballistics gelatin. Let's do 1 round of birdshot. A surprising amount of penetration. Look at these pellets. We got about 1/3 of the way through this gel block. Now for our final cut shell of the day. Taking a look right here, you can see this is where our cut shell hit, and it left about a fist-sized cavitation where all those pellets absolutely expanded. And then taking a look at this, you can see we have the shell in there and a massive cluster of BBs that went right until here. We are getting our 12 inches of penetration that the FBI recommends. That was actually kind of impressive. These rounds of cut shell kind of acted like a grenade once they impacted, and which I think is a lot more devastating. Are you Team Slug? Or are you going to be Team Cut Shell? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you next time.